Guys, welcome to my channel. So sometimes I say welcome to my channel and sometimes I say it's Ritika. So please don't mind me for that. I'm just a confused soul. But welcome to today's video, and today's video is all about this amazing initiative and a newly launched product by Wow Skin Science. This is the Wow's first paper tube packaging face wash. It's a brightening vitamin C face wash, and look at the packaging and look at what they have launched. This is such an amazing initiative. They have reduced their plastic consumption and making this 45% reduction of plastic usage. And I mean, this is such a great initiative towards sustainable packaging, and I really applaud Wow Skin Science for that. And this is how you'll get your product in an outer cardboard packaging, and when you open it, then you'll get your product inside or your paper tube inside. And the first question that came to my mind after using it कि इसके ऊपर अगर पानी चला गया तो ये पेपर पिघल नहीं जाएगा या फिर ये पेपर खराब नहीं हो जाएगा? That is the first question that I came across. And to answer this question and to tell you guys about the technical terms, I have written all the technical terms in my notebook. So they have used a certified paper that is called FSC certified paper. So this is a Forest Stewardship Council certified paper. This has a low water absorption value. So this is the reason that this will not absorb much water और ये गलेगा भी नहीं और ये खराब भी नहीं होगा. So yeah, this is all the science behind the tube packaging. So this is all about the sustainable tube packaging, and let's talk about the benefits of using this face wash. So on the packaging it says that this is suitable for dull, tired and aging skin, and this has naturally derived ingredients or plant-based ingredients, and the major ingredient in this one is vitamin C, which is my all-time favorite ingredient for each and every skincare product. I need my vitamin C in that, especially the vitamin C serum. I just love using it. And talking about the face wash, so vitamin C is my favorite ingredient to use. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It revives your dull skin, it diminishes your scars, and it promotes healing as well. And the other ingredients in this tube are lemon and orange essential oils, which will reduce the excess sebum, and it also has mulberry in it, which is an amazing source of antioxidant, plus it will nourish your skin. It also has licorice in it that will make your skin even toned and provide that glow. So this has these amazing ingredients into it, and the MRP of this one is 249 rupees for 100 ml of the product, and this is a made in India brand. So this is all about the benefits of using this product. So after you use it, your face really feels soft, and there's a little bit of vitamin C glow that you always get after using any vitamin C products, so that you will for sure get after using this tube or this face wash as well. And to know more about this product and to know in detail about this product, you can scan the QR code right here or on the back of the packaging. I'm going to mention all the links of this product in the description box below, and the other vitamin C products from this range as well. You can also use my code Ritika to get some additional discount on buywow.in or on the BuyWow app. I'm going to mention all the links in the description box below. So this is all about today's video, and this is all about this great initiative. एक छोटी सी शुरुआत by Wow Skin Science. So choose responsibly and be wow naturally. So this is all about today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.